Good afternoon, yeah, because already 12. But, okay, good afternoon, Miss.
Yes, good afternoon, Miss.
Today we are going to do evaluation. So I will evaluate from the LP that you have made for this week.
Okay.
Yeah. We start from the sounds grade. Can you explain about the sounds grade that you have delivered to the students?
Okay, so we have four sounds like and then
And
yeah,
okay, the
nt.
examples.
The example is like plan
Is it like
and the letter from and
the?
so
Oh,
we combine, then we spell it as nt. And
okay.
then
The examples like
the example of like plant,
oh,
plant,
and then
tent, and then
tent.
yeah,
Oh yeah yeah. Then
tent. Okay, and then dent. Okay,
next
next the sounds of unk.
unk
Unk is
like n and
and k,
oh
but we spell it as unk. The sound is
oh
unk. So the example words like pink, ink, tank, and then we have ung. Ung is ungs from letter N and letter G, N and G, but we the sound is not unk. If unk, N and K, but N and G. So the example words are wing, sing, king, and then one more is k.
K only
Is from sounds from letter C, from letter K and letter K, but
k
the
and
sound
letter k
C
C
no,
and
sound C and K,
oh okay
sound C and K, but when they combine, when they are together, we call the way to spell is k, like that.
oh
So
example
the example words are like sick, lock, neck, something like that.
okay so there are four yeah
Yes, four
next
sounds.
okay so how can you explain about this oh this is still about restaurant in this week
Yes,
okay
yes,
so how
yes.
can you explain this
Okay, so guys, actually we have learned about restaurants start from since last week. Now we try to remember and remind again about restaurant. By the way, what is restaurant according to you based on your mind? Okay, so restaurant is a place for us to buy and eat some delicious food. What things that you can find in the restaurant? By the way, in the restaurant we can find like table, chair, menu, some foods and drinks, something like that. And then, do you know what kind of foods that you can find in the restaurant? What kind of food that restaurants serve for you? So there are three kinds of food that restaurants always serve. The first is starter, like we can call it as appetizer, and then the main course, and the last one is dessert. The example of starter as your food as an appetizer, you can maybe you can order some like salad, you can order cookies. Then for your main course, you can order a pizza, soup, or you can order rice, noodles. And then for your dishes, you can order maybe like ice cream, jelly, something like that, pudding, something like that.
okay so did you explain to them also why are restaurants special
Why are restaurants
yeah because that's
special?
the title for this unit
Oh, why are restaurants special? No, because we just take one topic, so we will not uh, elaborate too far for
too
them.
much
Yeah, too much. So the topic we just take one like restaurant only. If we elaborate why is the restaurant special, it can be so wide, right? The explanation means maybe for some people restaurant special can because blah blah blah. For some kids restaurant special can because blah blah blah. So we just take one title. The title is restaurant only. Then we just talk about that.
okay so now we move to rainbow science what is the sea animal how can you explain this
Sea animal is an animals that live in the oceans. You cannot pet these animals at your house or in example like cat. If you see your father pet a fish in an aquarium, if sea animals you cannot put them in your house because their natural place is at the oceans. The example of sea animals that you can find in our book, in example like sea lions, dolphin, shark, swordfish, angelfish. Okay, that's all.
Okay. So how can you explain again for other things that makes them different actually?
For other things that
Yeah.
can make the animals
Sea animals and the pet different.
Okay, sea animals is an animals that can find their food in the oceans. So they can find their food by themselves by hunting the other fish or by hunting the other fish. But if pet animal is a fish that you can put in your house.
Not only fish.
Huh?
Just now you say it's a fish.
Oh, sorry. An animals that you can put in your house, then you can put in a small place like aquarium, and then you can pet them by using by using special food. But if the sea animals,
So did you give only the example like fish for the pet animals?
no, it's like small turtle.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
small turtle.
Just now you just say fish.
Yes,
fish,
because
fish.
in our imaginations, sea animals is always about fish.
Okay, and
So
then?
in example, it's impossible, guys, if you put shark in your house because shark is dangerous. It kinds of wild animals that live in the oceans. But if you put maybe like small turtle or glowfish at your house, it will be safe for you and it will make your house more beautiful.
Okay. The next, now we move to Pictionary English. This is, wait, miss, I open first. Part 17, yeah?
Part 17, yeah, miss?
Yes. Oh, part 16. Okay, can you explain about band?
Band,
Yeah.
band. Okay, bandage. Do you mean
No, band. B-E-N-D, band.
BEND? I couldn't find that words in my dictionary. Just
This one, right?
maybe
Like Bella, right? Yes, right? Huh. Bleeding ache.
beating egg. We have beating egg.
So I asked band first.
I forgot about bands.
Forget
really
band.
because I cannot find the words because dictionary English I have taught to the students, right, but I didn't.
You didn't
find,
explain about band?
No, I didn't find the words about band. Maybe there is a different
10 Pictionary here.
time dictionary. Maybe I forgot. I'm sorry about band. I
Okay.
forgot.
Bird cake.
Bird cake is a place that you can put. If you pet a birds, you can put your birds inside the bird cakes. But guys, it's not good for the birds because the birds the natural habit for bird is flying at the sky. We cannot put them inside the bird cage because it's like a jail for them.
Blinds.
Blinds is when you cannot see something clearly. Then in example like you have something problem with your eyes.
That's different.
Okay.
Next, blocks.
Blocks is square things that sometimes can comes from wood, sometimes can comes from wooden, and it can the shape is also can be square, can be like a cube, and then you can play it sometimes like a dice.
Additional explanation?
That's it. That's my additional explanation.
That's totally different. Okay. Blood transfusion bag.
Blood transfusion bag is a bag that you can use if you want transfer your blood to another people. If someone needs your blood, you can use this bag for keeping your blood first. Then the nurse will transfer your blood to the other people by putting some maybe by putting some injections. Then the blood will be transferred to your skin and then this bag they put this bag at the like a hole, like a hole, a big a long hole, guys. Maybe I can put the picture, then they will see the real things of that.
Beating egg.
Beating egg is the activity is when you crack the eggs, you put the eggs inside the bowl, and then you shake them. You shake the eggs together. That is kinds of beating eggs. These beating eggs, sometimes when we want to make an omelette or we want to make a cake, we can this activity is always come.
Ballet.
Ballet is kind of dance. It's you. This dance needs our flexibility and balance, our body balance. But sometimes this dance becoming a favorite dance for girl.
Okay. Next, we move to Pictionary bahasa. Oh, before that we move to ISP Science first.
Okay.
ISP Science. Oke, di sini tentang kendaraannya. Coba Miss jelaskan topiknya ini, Miss. ISP Science.
Oke, tentang kendaraan. Oke. Kalian pastinya tahu apa itu kendaraan. Tapi sebelum itu, kita mau bahas dulu apakah yang dimaksud dengan kendaraan lebih jelasnya. Oke, apa itu kendaraan? Kendaraan adalah alat transportasi yang kita gunakan agar kita bisa berpindah ke satu tempat ke tempat yang lain dengan cara kita mengendarainya. Jadi kendaraan itu bisa bergerak jika ada orang yang mengendarainya, jika ada orang yang mengemudinya. Ada beberapa contoh kendaraan yang bisa kita temukan di sekitar kita. Nah, contoh-contohnya itu seperti kereta atau kita sebut dengan sepeda motor, ada mobil, ada angkutan umum seperti angkot atau beca atau bus. Nah, itu adalah contoh-contoh kendaraan.
Oke. Oke, now ISP Bahasa. Ini tentang perlengkapan yang ingin dibawa berlibur. Bagaimana Miss menjelaskan tentang topik ini?
Oke, menurut kamu apa aja perlengkapan yang akan kamu bawa jika kamu berlibur ke pantai? Oke, jika saya berlibur ke pantai, saya akan membawa beberapa benda-benda seperti topi pantai, termos botol minum, dan jika saya ingin berenang, saya akan membawa pakaian renang, kacamata renang. Lalu jika saya berenang, pastinya saya juga akan membawa baju ganti dan beberapa alat-alat mainan yang bisa saya gunakan untuk bermain pasir di pantai.
Oke, Pictionary Bahasa, menekuk.
Menekuk is bad actually in English, right, Miss? Oke, menekuk itu
menekuk?
adalah kegiatan saat kamu membungkukkan badan kamu, lalu membungkukkan badan kamu, lalu posisi badan kamu itu sejajar dengan lutut.
Okay. Sangkar burung.
Sangkar burung adalah tempat di mana kamu bisa memelihara burung. Kamu simpan burung kamu ke dalam sangkar burung, lalu kamu tutup. Biasanya sangkar burung itu ada pintunya, nah, yang bisa kamu kunci, jadi burung tidak akan terbang. Tirai adalah salah satu alat yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menutup jendela. Oke.
Alat,
benda yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menutup jendela. Tirai itu benda atau alat ya, Miss? Benda, sorry Miss, benda.
Oke. Mendidih.
Mendidih adalah mendidih itu saat kamu memasak air, kamu memanaskan air, dan air itu sudah mencapai titik derajat yang sudah tinggi, lalu air itu akan secara otomatis air itu akan memproduksi gelembung panas, dan itu yang kita sebut dengan mendidih. Air itu sudah berubah menjadi air yang bersuhu panas, bersuhu tinggi. Itulah yang kita sebut dengan mendidih. Jadi aktivitas ini bisa kita temukan saat mama kita sedang memasak air atau sedang memanaskan air di termos.
Oke. Kantong darah.
Kantong darah adalah tempat yang kita gunakan, yang digunakan oleh dokter atau perawat di rumah sakit untuk menyimpan darah, sehingga saat darah kita ingin ditransfer atau dipindahkan ke badan pasien lain, jadi darah kita itu sudah tersimpan dalam kantong yang steril.
Kubus.
Kubus adalah bentuk suatu, ya, kubus adalah bentuk suatu geometri berbentuk persegi tapi tidak persegi, cuman dia memiliki 6 sisi. Yes, memiliki 6 sisi.
Memohon.
Memohon adalah kegiatan saat kamu menginginkan sesuatu, lalu kamu memastikan bahwa kamu akan melakukan sesuatu agar keinginan kamu tercapai.
Tari balet.
Tari balet adalah salah satu kegiatan yang membutuhkan keseimbangan dan kelenturan badan, biasanya dilakukan oleh anak-anak perempuan. Do you have project this week? Art and craft. Our art and craft is talking. Okay. Our projects of our art and craft this week is about making a Chinese lantern. Oh, okay. Chinese lantern. What type of materials do you need? You have prepared. I have made this Chinese lantern. So the materials like the big lantern, like medium lantern, based on the paper actually. Means if the paper is big, we can make it. What kind of paper do you use? You have made it. Yeah, I have made it. So what kind of paper do you use? That is like half-as paper, but it's not half-as paper. But the texture like half-as paper and the color is red. I don't know what kind of paper is that. We can also buy. You can also using carton paper, but because the tab is Chinese, I try to choose by everything about red. So all the color is red. Yeah, all the color is red based on because Chinese it identiques with red, right? So I decide to buy that paper. Then I cut into I cut the paper, and then the students actually I have cut and I have prepared the shape from my house. So the students always stick the student just stick the paper with the glue and then put the holder on the top of the lantern. So it will not waste it will not waste too much time and because one by one, right? Everybody will do that, right? Everybody will do that, but I put them in one table. Actually, so this morning I was combining all the tables so the students can joining together. So is it like then they do their art and craft together? Not individually, because if I call them one by one, it will wasting the time too much, right? So I decide to combine the table. Then the students will sit together. The students sat together. After that, they do their art and craft together while I recording them. Alright, I think that's all for the information for today. You are saved. Okay. From the dictionary bahasa that you could display well, because in dictionary English actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are totally different with your explanation. Yeah, your explanation with the alphabet and made. Yeah, I hope for the next week you could explain all of this. Yeah, I'll be back next week. Yeah. Okay. But for the Sanskrit, stuff,
level. So you are safe from that. That's why you passed this
Okay,
time.
thank you, Miss.
So thank you, Miss. Ya.